Assalamualaikum, grade 1, how are you?
I am fine.
That's good. Okay. Most of you were absent in the last class. Why?
Ma'am, I don't know class है.
Okay. Okay, grade 1, today we are going to start. Today we are going to start grammar simple past tense. Right? So please open your English notebooks. Open your English notebook, prepare your page, write today's date, then write class work and mention today's date. Today is Wednesday. Hurry up. Draw the margin line. Sharp your pencil. Draw your margin line. Then write simple past tense. Have you done?
Okay. मैम अभी मैंने डेट एंड डेट.
Okay, hurry up. Today we are going to start grammar English. Our topic is simple past tense. What is the
मैम
topic?
ये only spelling में लिखनी है या ये C.W भी लिख सकते हैं.
CW लिखते हैं. It's okay. Then please hurry up. Mention simple past tense. I'm going to start.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam. Those who have joined me right now, please open your English notebooks. Mention today's date and day. Draw your margin line.
Okay, ma'am.
Please be quick. Our topic is simple past tense. Okay, let's start. Simple past tense is. First, listen to me carefully. Grade 1 पहले आप अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे simple past tense क्या होते हैं, उसके बाद हम काम करेंगे, right? So please listen to me carefully. और अगर कोई चीज मिस हो जाती है तो don't worry. I will share this worksheet with you. तो आप बाद में अपना काम complete कर लें, okay? But first, try to understand. Try to learn that what is simple past tense. Words in the simple past tense tell you about actions that happened in the past. Past tense क्या होते हैं? Past tense में होते हैं, वो आपको बताते हैं कि past में क्या हो चुका है, right? जैसे कि आप उर्दू में कहते हैं मैं खेलने गया था. So it happened in the past, right? वर्ब क्या होता है? जो पास्ट टेंस में वर्ब यूज होते हैं. व्हाट इज वर्ब? वर्ब दैट टेल यू अबाउट एक्शंस. बेसिकली वर्ब इज द वर्ड, राइट? वर्ड होता है जो कि एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब करता है. वर्ड
अभी लिखना है हमने. अभी हमने लिखना है.
बेटा ये आप बाद में लिख लें, अभी आप जस्ट टीचर का लेक्चर सुनेंगे, आप इसको अंडरस्टैंड करें. ओके
ओके मैम.
I will share this worksheet with you. ओके, सो आप अपना काम कंप्लीट कर लेना। Okay, so verb is a word which is used to describe an action, a state or occurrence. So verbs in the past tense tell you about actions that happened in the past. जो चीज या जो काम past में हो चुका है, ये verbs उसको show करते हैं। You have only 2 minutes, grade 1. Yes, have you done? Verbs in the past tense tell you about actions that happened in the past. Verbs ये शो करते हैं कि पास्ट में क्या काम हो चुका है या आपने पास्ट में क्या किया था। जैसे कि I have few examples. In these examples, I have given you some base words. हमने अपने पहले लेक्चर में पढ़ा था, जब हमने बेस फॉर्म, पास्ट टेंस और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल्स पढ़े थे, तब हमने ये चीज पढ़ी थी कि कैसे बेस फॉर्म को पास्ट पार्टिसिपल में कन्वर्ट करना है। तो हम यहाँ पे सेम वही चीज अप्लाई करेंगे। I have given you the base word. You have to convert this base word into the past participle. और जब आप वो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल वर्ड किसी भी सेंटेंस में यूज करेंगे, देन इट विल बी योर सिंपल पास्ट टेंस। आई होप अब आपको समझ आ गई है दैट व्हाट इज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस। जब आप पास्ट पार्टिसिपल वर्ड को यूज करेंगे किसी भी सेंटेंस में, देन इट विल बी सिंपल पास्ट टेंस। जैसे कि आई हैव फ्यू एग्जांपल्स। I have given you a base word bake, okay? Then मैंने आपको एक sentence दिया है। See the example number 1. I have given you a sentence. Now you have to write the past participle form of the word bake in this sentence, okay? Just imagine that the underlined word is blank, okay? I have given you the word bake. Now you have to write its past form. Sentence is mom. Then you have to write the past form of the word baked. So the past form is baked. Mom baked. Solve it with me, hurry up. Mom baked a butter cake. So it is the simple past tense. Its translation is that आपकी मदर ने केक को बेक किया था. It is a past tense, so that's why we are using the past form of the word bake here, right? Bake is the base form. We have to write the past participle form of bake. So the past participle form of bake is baked. So that's why we are using its past form. The sentence is Mom baked a butter cake. Mom ने butter cake bake किया था. I hope आपको अब समझ आ गई होगी. With the help of examples, it will be easy for you to understand, okay? Okay, few students have joined me right now. So we are grade 1. Today our topic is simple past tense. You have to open your English notebooks. Mention today's date and day. और अभी आपने मुझे ज्वाइन किया है, तो अभी आप अपनी नोटबुक्स के ऊपर लिखने के बजाय पहले आप समझ लें कि टॉपिक क्या है, पहले आप अंडरस्टैंड करें, उसके बाद आई विल शेयर दिस वर्कशीट विद यू, तो आप अपना ये काम नोटबुक के ऊपर कर लें, ओके? बिकॉज यू आर लेफ्ट विद वेरी लेस टाइम। ओके, आई होप कि अब आप सबने एग्जांपल नंबर 1 तो कर ली होगी। लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड द नंबर 2। Okay, now here in example number 2, I have given you the base verb see, okay? Now here I have given you a sentence. You have to use the past form of the verb see in this sentence, okay? Clear? The word is see. You have to use its past form in the sentence. Let's start. We, then here's a blank, the film last week. Now let's write the past form of see here. We saw. The past form of see is saw. We saw the film last week, right? आपको मैं इसी तरह जब आपसे मैं टेस्ट लूंगी तो मैं आपको इसी तरह सेंटेंस लिख के दूंगी और मैं एक ब्लैंक छोड़ दूंगी और आगे आपको सेम इस तरीके से वर्ड दूंगी, राइट? द बेस वर्ब्स एक्चुअली। तो आपने उन बेस वर्ब्स को पास्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करके उस ब्लैंक वाली जगह पे वो वर्ड्स लिखने होंगे, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म्स ऑफ द वर्ब, राइट? So we saw the film last week. Now it is a simple past tense. This concept is quite new for you all, but it's very easy, so don't worry, feel free. There is no difficulty, right? You just have to use the past form or base form, past participle forms, ये हम सब पढ़ चुके हैं. So it's really easy. Okay, number 3. Now I have given you a base word visit, right? Base form of verb visit. Now I have given you a sentence. They blank Paris a year ago. Now you have to use its past form here. So what is the past form of visit? Past form of visit is visited. What is the past form of visit? Visited. So we will use the past form here in this sentence. They visited Paris a year ago, right? So now it's a simple past tense. It's easy, right? In simple past tense, many such verbs end with ed. उन words के end में ed use किया जाता है, तो वो verb past जो है वो उसमें convert हो जाता है past form में. Like the base form of bake is bake, past is baked. So ending is ed. You have 2 minutes. Please complete your work. I'm waiting. Take it easy. There is no difficulty. It is just a new concept for you all. So just enjoy it, okay? And try to understand. We just have to use the past participle forms here. Nothing else, okay? Number 4, the word is celebrate. It is a base verb, celebrate. And the sentence I have given, Ali blank his birthday yesterday. Now let's convert the base form celebrate into past form. So as I have told you that many such verbs end with ed. So the past form of celebrate is celebrated, right? So let's write Ali celebrated his birthday yesterday. Now it is a simple past tense. So simple. Okay, you are left 1 minute. Hurry up. Okay. Number 5. The word I have given you is build. What is the base form? Build. Now we will convert it into the past form. The sentence is, this is the house that Bilal. Now let's write the past form of build. And the past form is built. So this is the house that Bilal built. उसने past में वो घर बनाया था. I'm translating it. उसने बिलाल ने past में ये घर बनाया था. So we will use the past form of build in this sentence. This is the house that Bilal built. Have you done grade 1? Okay, those who have done, please mention your name and the section in the chat box.